कारवार शारांत गिरिजाबाई सैल इन्स्टिट्यूट ऑफ टेक्नॉलॉजी हे नवे कॉलेज अंदू चालू जाता। ह्या कॉलेजीत इंजिनियरिंगाचे बऱ्यापैकी आनी अर्विले शिक्षण दिवपाचो यत्न करतले अशें चेअरमॅन सतीश सैलान सांगलें। कॉलेजी खातीर नवी बिल्डिंग बांदल्या।
आज हे टेक्निकल कॉलेज स्टार्ट केल्यानंतर नेक्स्ट आम्ही मनात विचार दवरला, म्हणजे देवान साथ दिला त्याचे तुम्ही कसे सगळ्या आशीर्वादान देवाचे सगळे बरेच चलले जाता। पुण्यात मेडिकल कॉलेज आणि रेसिडेन्शियल स्कूल म्हणजे हो एक एज्युकेशनल हब जावपाचो तसो एक प्लॅन करपाचो आमी हो इच्छा आमी मनात जोडून घेतला।
We want to give a real education. A real education is not only by coming from the syllabus. We have to give, the kind of a thing which is not there in the syllabus. Nowadays people are asking more than what is in the syllabus, like a soft skill training, like a training for the interviews, and possibly the students are more interested for a placement. Nowadays, when a parent come to me, they'll also ask me whether there is any training, whether there is any placement. Of course, there is a JGI with us. The JGI is helping in all the aspects for us. And only one thing I would like to say that this institution is going to give all the state-of-the-art facilities.
ताशकंद उझबेकिस्तानात जाल्ली आशियाई ज्युनियर बुद्धिबळ सर्त जिखून इवाना फुर्तादो शेनवारा सकाळी घरा आयले। ही सर्त जिखिल्ल्यान ते गोंयचे सगळ्यात ल्हान WIM जाला। इवानाक येवकार दिवंक ताचे घरचे बुद्धिबळ संघटनेतले तशेंच सरकारी अधिकारी आयिल्ले। ही सर्त जिखिल्ल्यान इवानाक वेगवेगळ्या भायल्या देशांचे आपोवणें आयलां। ताका आतां सिनियर गटात खेळपाक सोदता अशें ताचो बापूय एली फुर्ताद म्हणटा।
Well, I'd gone there thinking that I just wanted a medal, but I got the gold medal, so it was a really good tournament. I got 49 rating points. I got a woman international master title and a woman grandmaster norm, one woman grandmaster norm. And the tournament, I played very good games. I had a great tournament.
Which was the toughest player for you?
My toughest game was against Rucha Pujari from India, because
Which was the final last game?
Because I played with her and I had a bad position and I defended the game and I made it to a draw. So that was my best game against Rucha Pujari.
What we are actually seeing is the result of the 9-round tournament. But a lot of effort has gone into this particular preparation for this tournament, wherein Ivana has prepared exceptionally very well, and she's been coached by Grandmaster R.V. Ramesh. And she has also had a fantastic tournament prior to this. That was in the month of February, wherein she had played the Aeroflot Open. And over there she had even defeated a grandmaster. So it was in the coming actually. It is no surprise actually to me. Many people from abroad have seen her playing and have offered her various conditions to come and play in their countries. And I think so this is something very important, that maybe it will create a lot further impact on her and take her from the junior level into the senior level.
आनीक अशेच भाशेन बाकी सगळे स्पोर्ट्समॅनांनी अशें ताचो उद्देश घेवन राज्यान बरें नांव हाडपाची तयारी करची अशी आमची विनंती सगळ्यांक।
गोंयच्या चॅसांक खूब प्रगती जाता आनी इवाना सारके प्लेयर जे आसा शी इज 1 in a million म्हणपाचें। आनी भक्तीन जे वाट दाखयल्ली त्याच वाटेर ते आतां फुडें वतले आनी आनिकूय आमकां प्रायजां हाडटले आनी गोंयचें आनी इंडियेचें नांव वयर काडटले ही आमची अपेक्षा आसा।
तुमकां ह्यो खबरो चुकल्या आसात जाल्यार आमच्या www.prudentmedia.in वेबसायट वा ट्विटर अकाउंट प्रुडंट गोवा वा www.facebook.com/prudentmedia ह्या फेसबूक अकाउंटाचेर मेळटल्यो। इतल्यान खबरां चित्रां हांगाच सोंपता। पळयत रावात प्रुडंट मिडिया। नमस्कार।